gonna get that picture? Oh man, that's crazy. Yeah, I just say it.
Even though you're a Singaporean, he's got a high opinion. Very nice, very nice.
First picture of the night. Cheers.
Cheers. Sorry about that.
Thank you. Hi guys, I'm Jeremy. I'm taking the pictures for the popcorn tonight. Oh?
Yeah, cool.
So, would you care for a little picture of you guys? Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Let me see. How do you look?
It's okay.
It's all right. Do you mind? I move here. All right, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. I think that's better.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
4.
3, 2, 1.
All right, cheers. Thank you. Guys, picture. Thank you. 3. Thank you. Looking good.
Hope my mom sees it.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, I got everybody. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, guys. It's looking kind of good.
Okay.
Girls, if you don't mind, just,
You're like, now you're hiding, we cannot see you. Okay.
you cannot hide from me. All right, thank you, guys. Let's get to it. 1, 2, 3. Seoul Pub Crawl, are you ready? Thank you, guys. Guys, you hate me for taking picture.
I don't hate you for taking photos. I don't really love photos because I'm not really like photogenic.
I mean, you look fine. Let me tell you that.
Oh, thank you.
And then
Look, how do you know?
I have eyes.
Traumatized poor man.
I have eyes.
No, I look like shit in photos.
Oh, thank.
I'm like, why is it that what I see in the mirror is not what I see in the photo?
Genuinely, yeah.
Like, what the fuck is going on?
Oh, 100%. Yeah.
I'm like, I look alright in the mirror.
The secret is just drink more alcohol.
I feel like that's worse. Like,
Yeah.
literally one eye's gonna be half closed, one eye's gonna be like open in a weird way. Like, I think that's it.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Did I ask you that already?
No, I don't think you did.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
I'm still okay.
From where?
I am from France.
France. Oh. Okay, I learned French like for 1 year.
Oh, that's nice. What? You need a picture?
Yeah.
How are you gonna get that picture?
Hey, thank you.
You need to follow me.
Oh, yes, okay.
Can you follow me?
Yes.
How many followers?
Are you a street photographer?
No, I do picture for the popcorn.
Oh, okay.
Can you message me?
Yes.
Like
One more time.
sure. All right. Okay, one more. Okay.
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, see you guys.
Thank you.
Bibi, I actually love it.
You have the same expression, so.
Yes.
Hey. Sorry. You joined before. No? No. Really?
You remember? Yeah.
I remember you, yeah. I have a visual memory. I have no idea what's your name, but. Hey, man.
Posted me on Facebook. I posted my picture on the Facebook.
Oh. Did you like the pictures?
I did actually. I'll take it. I like it.
What, can you remind me your name then?
Taylor.
Taylor. Okay. Care for a picture? All right, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. One more. 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah, I have to say. How are you doing? You're hot as fuck as usual. I'm gonna spend all my camera battery again. You want to take a picture? Yeah, I'm sure they're very thirsty right now.
Yo me vuelvo loco, hacemos lo que tú digas, invita a tus amigos.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, thank you. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. So. I didn't even record. Shit.
You wanna go again?
Yeah. Okay, second take. I think she likes you. Now it's recording.
Let's go on the Facebook.
We drink everything. Oh. We have our friend here. Our Barbie girl.
estás borracha y tú me llamas. Diciendo que tu cuerpo.
Thank you. Thank you. We are at the South Place. It's kind of late. People are kind of drunk right now.
Yes, very. But that's because there's not many people and we went through a whole bottle of tequila.
Right.
Everyone got like 6 shots of tequila.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
I didn't. I don't like tequila. I'm not participating.
Yeah, but that means people had a lot of tequila tonight.
Yes, yes. And I still have everything here.
Oh man, that's crazy.
Where did she go?
What can we do about it?
Get everyone more drunk, of course.
That's the least we can do.
Exactly. That's the least we can do for these people.
It's alright, I'm okay.
Stacking my paper, my wallet look like a Bible. I got girlies out naked, that shit look like a grotto. I always anorexic and Nikkor ass is colossal. Drop that ass, make it boomerang. Take my belt off, bitch I'm booty tang. Tippy toe, tippy tay, you gon' get a tip today. Fuck. Star, get money, I'm a star.
On FaceTime, but the people wanna Skype me. If I do time, then who would really write me? I stay on y'all mind, but oh, I think they like me. I ain't pulling six with AGs on her belt. Please watch your step, cause I'm feeling my. Don't stop, hey. Don't stop, hey. Don't stop, hey. Run a man on that beat. 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 Niggas know that hate me, so they try to bitches be stuck to me. I think they try to.
Like the Simmons with me, driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me and my bed stay with up the top, still sipping my top, sitting courtside, niggas next gap, I'm famous in a Yankee kid. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crypto. But I got